We now get to the tags for formatting superscript and subscript. Starting with superscript, you can use HTML to create text that is raised above the preceding text and is displayed in a smaller font. This can be used for mathematical expressions. It can also be used to formally annotate compositions such as articles or essays. Here's an example of a mathematical expression, 10 to the 6th power, that I've superscripted. Notice that the 6 is raised up a little bit and it's smaller than the preceding 10. To create a superscript text, place the desired text, typically a number, within the SUP tag here. So 10 less than SUP greater than 6 less than / SUP greater than will give you that 10 to the 6th formatting. Now subscripts is the kind of text that is lowered below the baseline of the preceding text and is displayed in a smaller font as well. This can be used to display chemical notations. So I have H2O scripted here using the subscript tag SUB. Here's an example of the code as well as how it will display in the browser. There's the H and the O are in the first line, and then displaced a little bit below that is the 2. It's also rendered in a smaller font there. And to tag this, you simply include the number that you want to subscript in between the two subtags there. Now you can change the CSS attribute of the subscript and superscript tags to improve line spacing, formatting, and placement of characters. Now many browsers bump up the line spacing on the fly when it encounters a superscript, such as this 10 to the 6th. Also, it does it in the subscripts in some occasions, as in this H2O formatting. This gives the lines of the paragraph an uneven spacing, which can be quite unattractive. However, this problem can be solved by both increasing the line height of the paragraph to about 1.4 ems and then reducing the line height of the subscript and the superscript elements to 0. You would do this using CSS. I'll be reviewing line height as well as the EM or emphasis style a little bit later in the course when we review CSS in more detail. Now you may run across text that is pre-formatted, like this text right here. This would be quite a challenge to format with tables or with CSS. You probably could do it, but this is an application of when to use pre-formatted text, and there is a pre-formatted text tag. So let me review this tag in the next movie.